Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy eSim that will work in Australia. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, open description and click on link eSim and open voyofly.com and write Australia. Click on this. Alright, and settings, unlimited 4G 5G data, no download or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Right, scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed. I recommend unlimited, and choose a speed plan, light, plus, premium. I recommend plus or premium. This is very good speed and fast and etc. Alright, I'm select premium and choose your days. I'm select 30 days, premium speed, unlimited data. This is good, and click on buy it now. And click on this discount code at the right, ROAM tips, and click on apply. Yes, good, and order discount ROM tips, this dollars, this very good, and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email, write payment, and write billing address, and click on buy now, and open new page, and buy a SIM, and send your email address, QR code, and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.